This is a teardown of a Royal brand shipping scale display, model EX315W. Can't quite figure out how it works because there's not really any obvious connection points, and it's kind of broken, so we're gonna take it apart rather than do anything with it. Oh, that bit's a little too round. Let's see if one of these smaller bits will work. There we go. And we're inside. Kind of interesting. So the display and buttons are on their own board. And got this really crude looking control board. Oh, it's wireless. There's an antenna there. So scale communicates over some sort of RF. And that's how it does what it does, I guess. Let's see what we got on this board. I'm not expecting much. There we go. Yeah, just some buttons and a screen. I'm assuming behind this, yeah, there's a blob controlling the screen itself, because there's not really a lot of connections. And as you can see, we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wires. Buzz. I don't know why it says buzz. So, looks like it's just like a serial connection of sorts. You got your power here, and then there's a ground, data, VDD. I should know what that stands for, but I don't. I'm pretty sure that's a commonly used term for data transfer, but I don't know what that stands for. I should know. It bothers me that I'm drawing a blank. But yeah, it's interesting. Wires are hot glued in here. Although this is some really crusty feeling hot glue. Let's see if I can get this out without hurting myself. Oh man. I gotta be careful with that glass display. Corners are sharp. Also, for no particular reason, I do want to save the old 9-volt battery connector. I literally never have needed one in the modern era, but I don't know. Nostalgia? Keep it for nostalgia purposes. Things that people never use anymore. Although I could use it for a power connector. Strange. So I wonder if the display board has all the brains, and then this is purely just a wireless transmitter receiver. Seems to be signal sided. Although there's some vias going through the boards, so I don't know what that's all about. It's also labeled in this end, VDD out and ground. But I'm going to clip these wires here. Undo this little knot. And ta-da! Kind of. We'll use violence. Free 9-volt battery connector. A piezoelectric buzzer as well. Alright, so that's going out into there. Alright, that makes sense. I don't know what I was thinking. That display fell apart. That's cool. Yeah, how did I do that? Sometimes these will trigger from just general static electricity. I saw a segment light up, unless there's, nope, not from pressure. Sometimes you can see where the segments are by pushing on the displays as well. Not that I'd recommend that. Yeah, if I could induce a static charge, but anywho, sadly this little buzzer is glued in. If I poke at it, I can get it out, but it's probably going to damage it in the process. I don't know. Got a battery nearby? I don't think these run off 3 volts, but let's find out. I don't think these are polarity sensitive. Might need an actual signal of sorts, not just straight DC voltage. Also, I probably damaged it by poking at it like that. But yeah, I think that's all there is to see. Hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.